Some of the Airbnbs, they have hidden fees. So hidden fees as in, for example, if I see, the price is 200 ringgit, okay? But then when you click in, right, suddenly there are cleaning fees you need to add on. There are maybe security deposits that you need to add on. And suddenly you add on. Hey, how come it's so expensive already? So there will be some of the condos or Airbnb listings are like this. So it's not really that transparent. Of course, some of the hotels as well. Some of them, even if you pay the cleaning fees or what, right, it's not really that clean as well. We have to know that. And for Airbnbs, we don't really have, or we can call housekeeping to come and say, hey, help me clean this, clean that. No, for Airbnbs, is you're dealing with the owner and you yourself. Up to the owner's discretion, whether he want to help you to clean cleanly or how. So this is something that for those who are quite particular with cleanliness, this is something very important. Oh yeah, and one more thing about Airbnb is there is no room service and no 24-hour front desk where, let's say an emergency happen, you have to call the owner, but then the owner may be sleeping already. It's something that is quite dangerous, especially for tourists who comes to Malaysia or we going to other places, other countries, right? What if midnight, we occur some emergency, we need to go to the hospital or any clinics or anything, we don't know, we have to Google search, it's slower. But then with front desk below at our hotel, it will definitely be more convenient and safer lah.